Let's talk about pronunciation of English vowels. Here's a spectrogram analysis for some of the sounds covered in this lesson. Aw, aw. Have a look at the IPA symbols on the graph. The F1 and F2 frequencies of these sounds show the distance or difference in sounds. However, the aw, which uses a lowercase letter a without the hat, and the aw, which uses a backwards letter c, are very close to each other, and they sound very similar. Aw, 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 aw. As a result of simplifying or economizing the number of sounds, there's a growing trend in general American English where the aw sound, as a single vowel, has merged into the aw sound. This has already happened in most American dialects, particularly in Western American English. This is known as the cot-caught merger. Let's talk about these sounds a little more before moving on. The aw, or backward C, is a mid-back vowel with rounded lips. Aw, aw. The aw, or hatless A, is a low back vowel without rounded lips. Aw, aw. Listen to them side by side. Aw, 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 aw. Most people just say something in the middle.
Just say something in the middle.
As in hot, hot, hot. Either with a little rounding or without any rounding is okay. This is Pronunciation of English Vowels, American Accent Training, with me, Mr. E. Welcome to the course.
Disoriented, I can't tell what's wrong or right.